Welcome to today's video. We're here to introduce the new feature of our SQL accounting system, Auto Post GL Stock Value by Project. Let's take a look through a real scenario. You might be managing multiple locations, each having different inventory requirements. Typically, you might spend a significant amount of time manually handling the inventory value for each project. However, with our SQL accounting system, it can automatically post the inventory value for each project regularly without requiring your manual intervention. This new feature not only saves you a substantial amount of time but also ensures more precise inventory management. Follow our video to learn how to effortlessly manage multi-project inventory using this feature, freeing up more time to focus on business development. Stock month-end balance. Now, let's take a look at how this new feature helps us automatically post stock values to different project codes. When we have the default location, JB, and Penang location codes, observe how the month-end balance is posted. From the stock month-end balance, we can see that the UTD cost for the default location is $225,043.50, and it will match with our default project code. In the JB location, the UTD cost is $240, which will map with our P1 project code. Lastly, let's check our Penang location. Its UTD cost is $10,700, and it will map with our P3 project code. Balance sheet. Now, let's examine the quick results after updating the stock values for all specific projects. We can utilize the project comparison report format within the balance sheet statement. After selecting the Apply button, you will obtain the stock values for each project. In this example, P1 has a stock value of $240, and P3 has $10,700. With these features, users no longer need to make adjustments or summaries at every year-end or month-end to every project. SQL can now link all the projects with their respective stock locations. Users can efficiently manage their stock by project. Step for one-time setting on auto-posting stock value. To kick things off, go to Tools, then select Options, Miscellaneous. Users need to check the main function, which is Auto Post GL Stock Value, and then click OK. Afterward, navigate to Maintain Stock Group, where users are required to set the balance sheet stock account code for the specific stock group. Additionally, the user will need to link the project to the stock location. Navigate to Stock, then select Maintain Location. By following these steps, users can save significant time when making adjustments on the stock value for company projects. Unlock precision and save time effortlessly with our Auto Post Stock Value by Project feature in SQL Accounting. Revolutionize your inventory management for enhanced efficiency.